The washing machine. Hello, my name is Edilia Silva Lozada. I am 28 years old. Today I am going to give practical steps to the proper use of the washing machine. Instruction 1. The machine connects to the power. 2. We select the clothes. The color apart from the white. 3. Add salt, whitening if desired. 4. Press the power button. 5. Timer indicates the times the wash lasts. 6. There is other button. With this button, we choose the taste of the water, hot or cold. 7. My washer has delayed start service. Soak the clothes 1, 2, 3 hours. 8. With the power button, I can also pause while I'll take out or get more clothes. 9. Finally, I have the start button and now wait for watching time. That's all. See you later.